Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello, aspiring demon hunters. In this video, I will explain how to play Illidan in Heroes of the Storm. Illidan is a relentless melee assassin, known for his incredible mobility and sustained damage. His unique trait, Betrayer's Thirst, is central to his kit, healing him for 30% of all damage dealt by his basic attacks, and reducing his ability cooldowns by 1 second per hit. This means staying in the fight and constantly attacking is key to his survival and effectiveness. Illidan's core abilities are Dive, Sweeping Strike, and Evasion. Dive lets you leap to targets, while Sweeping Strike dashes and buffs your basic attacks by 35% for 3 seconds. Evasion is crucial, granting 2.5 seconds of basic attack invulnerability. For heroics, Metamorphosis provides a health boost and attack speed, or you can choose the Hunt for a global stun and engage. Talents like Unending Hatred or Hunter's Onslaught further enhance his damage and healing. To master Illidan, always be attacking something, whether it's heroes, minions, or mercenary camps, to keep your cooldowns low and your health high. Use Dive and Sweeping Strike not just for offense, but also for quick escapes or traversing terrain. Activating Evasion at the right moment can negate significant basic attack damage. Focus on squishy enemy targets and use your heroic, like Metamorphosis for team fights, or the Hunt for global pressure and securing kills. Illidan's strengths lie in his unmatched mobility, dueling prowess, and impressive self-sustain when constantly attacking. However, he is very susceptible to crowd control and high burst ability damage. He truly shines when paired with allies who can provide shields, armor, or extra healing, like a Tassadar or other. Conversely, be cautious against heroes with blinds, roots, or powerful magic burst, as these can severely limit his effectiveness and survivability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.